Hello, dear students. Now let us understand about financial markets in this session. So, when studying about finance, this particular concept, that is financial markets, securities market, primary, secondary, so all these things are very much essential. Being getting deeply involved into the finance field. So, what is this financial markets? See, actually, it is a marketplace where securities will be traded. In usual market, general market, products will be exchanged between buyer and seller. But here in financial markets, securities or stock market will be traded between two parties. And that might include stock market or bond market or forex, that is foreign exchange market, even derivatives market. So all these different kinds of markets between that is two parties, one is buyer, another one is seller. Okay, so this financial markets definitely it plays vital role in all between finance field, financial area, broad areas, and that we are going to discuss in detail now. So types of financial markets. What are all the different types? So just now we discussed that there is a stock market, there is bond market, commodities market is there, and even derivatives market. So, functions of financial markets, basically it includes what are all the major 4 points. First one is puts savings into more productive use. Okay. And, simply by earning whatever the salary that what we are getting, okay, depositing the fund, that is not enough. Additionally, we need to involve into the next area, that is involving in stock market, involving purchasing any bonds or releasing any bonds, something that we have to do. Okay. You should also take part in derivatives area. So by doing all these things, you are actually using your savings into more productive way and determines the price of securities. So it actually determines the price of bonds, of securities, or any derivatives of any product, whatever. And next is makes financial assets liquid. Okay. So you're just converting into cash. Immediately you're just converting into cash. Whatever assets that you're having, using that asset, you're converting into liquidity position. And next is lowers the cost of transactions. You need not to spend more and more amount. Okay. So you can spend only by using of little cost. Okay. You just gain more and more money using this financial markets. Next. So importance of financial markets, why it is very important. See, there are different participants like investors will be one side and next side debtors. Okay. So both the investors and debtors aim has to be achieved. Okay. So that is the main part in this financial market. And who will be the participants in detail, like general individuals, okay, general public, companies can act as involved in this financial markets, and government organizations, anyone who are all in the need of fund, who wants to utilize their funds in a proper way, definitely they can be a part in this financial market. And next is it actually helps lowering the unemployment rate. See, many people, they are actually unemployed. To solve those kind of issues, this financial markets, by involving into stock market, being acting as a shareholder, he can simply earn, right? So that is actually, it actually lowers the unemployment rate. And next is, so financial markets, what is this financial markets? There are two major things. One is capital, another one is money market. So capital market is something very big, huge. So, the duration, maturity period, and, time in money itself, it is very huge money. So under this capital market, so then again, there are two types. One is primary, another one is secondary market. When you are issuing your stocks for the first time, that is actually called as primary. already you are doing involving in the field of stock market, being acting as a shareholder again and again, you are just releasing shares, probably that is called as, secondary market, when you are acting as an existing shareholders. Okay, so this comes, for the bigger part. When it comes to money market, see, there are different types like call money, tree bills, treasury bills, commercial bills, commercial paper, CDs. All these things are simply, when you are in a need of fund for short duration, that is below 1 year. Okay, and you being acting as a business owner, you are in a need of fund, and an opposite party, he is an investor, he is ready to invest fund for you. Okay, in that case, so all these documents, all are different documents, right? Call money, T bills, so different documents. So this buyer and seller, they can mutually agree between each other, and by showing all these documents and the evidence, they'll transact their, do some transactions of their money. So that is what the purpose. So capital, it is for duration is big, money is also very big, and money market duration below 1 year, and cost wise also, cash wise also, it is not such huge cash. So this is the two different types of financial markets. Thank you. Hope you all understand the concept.